Hey guys, so I did a quick weave a couple of weeks ago and my quick weave is on its last limbs. I got the hair from Temu. It was virgin hair, got a little oily. So now what I'm trying to do is put it into a nice slick bun so I don't have to worry about it. So first thing I'm doing is I am taking all the hair that I left out, which was the bare minimum. I'm sectioning that off. I'm making sure that it's not going to be touched. That's the first thing you want to do, is just make sure none of your hair is touching for right now. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to comb it out from the ends. The hair from Temu, it was okay. I paid $23 for 4 bundles. It was pretty good. It lasted like 3 weeks. It's supposed to be virgin. I know it's not virgin, but you know, it served its purpose. Cause it didn't curl. But if you want something that is manageable and is kind of like beauty supply hair, like what's that thing? It's called Q. It's like that. But it's not hard to what is it? It's not hard to comb out. But anyway, I'm just combing everything out so when I do put it in a ponytail, it'll be easier for me. And when I get to the roots, I kind of like fluff it out so I can cover the tracks. This is a side part that I did. So I'm gonna take a dual bristle brush, soft and hard. And what I'm doing is I'm just like forming the hair. You see a little bit of the tracks is coming out because again, this is a quick weave and it's like falling apart. So anyway, I'm just combing it, making sure I can put it in a ponytail and it's going to look nice and neat. This is what you want to do, is you want to create the ponytail beforehand before you mold your hair into it. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it into a ponytail. I'm going to fix the ponytail, but I just kind of want to see how it's going to look. I like it. So yeah, now that I took the sides out, I'm going to work with the middle part. This is how the hair looks. Oh, not the hair, my hair. It looks like that. I'm natural. I straightened it a long time. I straightened it like 2 weeks ago. I don't like straightening my hair that much. So yeah, I'm starting from the roots and I'm just combing my hair out. And what I'm going to do is put some wild growth in it, you know, little razzle dazzle, trying to grow out my hair. So that's why I'm not using that much heat. And it's raining like crazy. This hairstyle is going to have your hair staying and not shriveling up in curls. So now what I'm doing is I'm just parting the hair and just seeing where I want my hair to lay. So that was oil. You can see it looks like I have a whole bunch of mess in my hair. It's just oil. So now that I parted it, I'm just seeing how I'm going to cover the tracks. So I'm just brushing it so it can cover the tracks just to see how it is. Now here is the trick. I use braiding gel. And this is from IC. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the braiding gel. I'm not going to start at the roots of my hair. I'm going to start about like 3 inches away from the roots. And there's a reason why I do that, because once you put braiding gel in your hair, it's kind of hard to like move your hair, like mold it. So I'm going to end up molding the roots of my hair so it can really cover the tracks. And anytime you put this braiding, make sure that you are putting it at the ends of your hair. That's what's going to help it out a lot. Put it at the ends of your hair and just push it or brush it into the ponytail. Now I use both sides. What I do first is I mold it with the soft side, and then I take the hard bristle brush and then I like brush the ends of my hair into the ponytail. Again, I'm going to mold my hair, but I'm not going to go at the roots. So do not go at the roots until the end. And I'm just going to take the soft part of the bristle and just place it back. And you can feel it in the back of your hair. You can actually feel the feel if your hair is being molded in, because you won't like, it feels like it's seamlessly melting into the hair. So now, because it's a side part, I'm just going to kind of like put it in like a diagonal motion. As you can see, I'm doing the ends of my hair. Now, like I said, I'm natural, so my hair is very curly. But when I do this, when I do exactly how I'm doing it, my hair stays straight. So I don't have to use heat to my hair. So you see I'm alternating back and forth. So now I'm just making sure I'm forming it right. Again, this, like, it's going to look a little bit, it's very shiny. On camera, it's looking a little bit white, but it's actually very shiny. Once again, it's going to look shiny, but it's not going to, it's like that on camera. But I'm just making sure I'm molding it correctly. I'm not going at the roots. I repeat, do not go at the roots. Okay, baby. That's my daughter. She's talking. Hi. Okay, Riley, go. So now it's being molded. Now I'm just like molding it into the ponytail, and then I'm going to eventually start working on the roots. So this is where I was saying that do not mold the roots just yet, because you got to mold it. I felt a track being shown. So now that I feel like everything is okay, I'm going to go ahead and go at the roots. I like when the roots are like that, and I'm molding it nicely. Okay, so I'm satisfied with my roots. Now I'm going to be working on the sides of my hair. Again, I'm going to put the wild growth in the areas that I have my hair out. I don't put it at like towards the roots, because what ends up happening is that it's going to get into the quick weave. So I'm just molding it. I'm molding it the same way how I mold the top of my hair, but I do like having like little sideburns. So you see the formation, you see how it's coming into place. Everything is looking nice. So what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. And you're just going to see I'm doing the same exact thing as I did to the other side. So yeah, watch it. Okay, so I molded my hair, and now I'm just taking it out so I can fully like put the ponytail that I want and make sure it's nice and tight to my liking. And I'm also working on the back, like I guess what they call it, the kitchen area. I'm like molding that area and making sure it's not like curly and stuff. But yeah, it's easy to do. It's just I'm just tired as I don't know what. So I've been just like, I was like, let me make this video. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on both sides. I'm doing the same exact way. I'm molding it with the braiding hair, and I'm just taking the brush and I'm just brushing it back. I use both sides just to ensure that it's nice and neat. Now that it's in a ponytail, I was like, you know, I was gonna wear it out, but then I was like, this hair is stiff as I don't know what. So I put it in a twist, and I put it in like a little bun. This is such a cute wear for like corporate wear, baddie wear, like just, and it's very nice. It's very cute. It's very simple. You can, you know, match it up with some earrings, put a cardigan, I don't know, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it look. I put in a little cute little bun. Now you see I'm just playing around, making sure everything looks nice, and I think I'm gonna show you the bun how it looks. Hold on. So after I finish molding it, I'm just gonna use that the Lotta Body wrap foam. I didn't use too much, but I put that in the back of my hair, more so where the ends of my natural hair ends at, just so it can be more molded.
Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my spritz. This is one of the most important things. I'm gonna spray it. I'm not gonna spray it too close to my hair, but I'm also not gonna overly saturate it. Just enough for it to stay in place. This hairstyle lasts me about 3 days, so it's pretty good. Next thing I'm gonna do is just wrap up my hair. Always wrap it up for like 30 minutes. When you wrap it up for 30 minutes, you're setting your hair and you're doing, you know, letting your hair mold. I'm gonna go ahead and like put some type of makeup on so I can get ready for work. But yeah, I really hope you like this tutorial. This is how I look now. If you want to see more, subscribe. That's it, subscribe. I hope you guys like it, and here is the finishing touches. See you later. Bye.
So now what I'm gonna do is, this is the most important step. I'm gonna take some spritz and I'm gonna just spray my hair. I'm not gonna spray like too much, like too close to my hair, because that's where it starts getting wet and it starts acting crazy. So enough to saturate where my hair is. This is how it looks in a bun. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up, put it in a scarf for about 30 minutes. I would say minimum keep it in for 20 minutes. That way it can set. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Not really doing makeup, but just my eyebrows and my eyelash. And yeah, and I'm gonna come back to y'all and I'm gonna show y'all how I look. Okay guys, I just took out my scarf and I finished doing my makeup and all that stuff. But yeah, I love it. This lasts me all day. It can last me till tomorrow. If you like my content, follow for more. Bye.